Guy van Afron wat bietjie meer van getel van hulle toerusting. En daarna het ons vir Franke Pieterse wat ons 'n lesing gaan gee oor hedging. Ek weet party ons is bang om te sny en ons sny gewoonlik te laat. So laat hulle vir ons bietjie help met dit. Dankie.
Thank you. Well, so first of all, sorry for my pure Afrikaans, so you would have to hear me in English. I hope it's okay. It's neither my natural language, so I hope we will forgive each other. So, first of all, Afron is a company that established in Israel like 60 years back with the idea of come up and get a value to producers with high value and high performance machinery for orchards, fruit orchards, and as well as you would see, specifically for pecan growers. So you would see two different logos here. One is Afron, this is the mother company, and the other is Toll, is the same machinery, the same company. Toll is our subsidiary in the US, so it's the same, come from the same source, same meaning. You would see with us another two distribution partners here in Hartswater. One is Hoyland Agri with Mr. Devet Meiberg, and the other is Savage South Africa with Mr. Werner Hamann. So, as I said, the company is based in Israel. We have a lot of activity around the world, in the US, Australia, Mexico, Peru, Argentina, South Africa, additional countries in Europe, and around Africa as well. We have five important principles that we are trying to stick with. The first of all, and this is the most important for us, we are building machinery for a very long lifespan, meaning that we don't build on spare parts, we don't build on selling ongoing sales, but the idea is to produce machines that would serve you as growers for many years forward. We still have clients that comes for us to make a trade, and they want to give us the old machinery of 20-25 years that still works excellent, and they want a trade. So this is the lifespan that you can expect from this kind of equipment, and we are building it with the very best raw materials and components, starting from the engines of John Deere, axles from the top producer in the world, hydraulic systems, motors, pump, everywhere is with the top notch of the quality. The second one is the efficiency. We are striving efficiency in the operation of the equipment in order to assist you to enter the investment as quick as possible and to investment to be able to assist you for many years ahead. The other point is the after-sale service, and this is why we have our local partners here with the idea of support every day and every need that the growers might have to minimize downtime and to be here as close as possible to the market with all the support that needed. The innovation, you would see here, we are coming up every year with new models, and there is a specific model that we design for the pecan market here in Hartswater and in South Africa, and we hope that you would like it. The fifth is the security and the safety of the workers, of the operators. This is what we are seeing in front of our head when we are designing our machinery. So our line of products are pruning machines, dates platforms, pruning platforms, cherry pickers, as you is called to use it in South Africa, shakers for almonds, for pistachios, and hydraulic saws and loopers that can be connected to the platforms and serve for manual pruning. So before we are diving into the machinery, let's take a snapshot on pruning. Even though we have another very long and deep and professional lecture by Frankie on pruning, let's try to connect the two lectures in order to see what is the philosophy behind of it. So pruning is a crucial factor in the plant management of every tree and of pecans, such as irrigation and fertilizers. Crucial is these factors as well. What do we want to aim? First of all, we have to have the tree design and the plantation design, and to make sure that there is enough regrowth and regeneration of vegetative and productive branches in order to assure the production for the years to come. We want, on the other hand, to allow penetration of light and in order to create the photosynthesis. Okay, so we can continue. So, with the idea of the pruning and hedging allow us avoid empty trees and aged branches. As well, we want to have enough ventilation into the tree in order to prevent pests and other diseases. So let's go and dive into the equipment. We are going to talk about 5 different equipment, that 4 of them are self-propelled. This is the first one, the TH2000F. This is a 48 inches carway blades. The cutting pass is 7.3 meters from the first blade to the last one. The max hedging is 15 meters. The max flat topping is 9.6 meters, and the 45-degree topping is 13.5. This is more than enough. These measurements would repeat themselves in the next 2 machines as well. So you will be able that it's more than enough to cover the future needs of the orchard. And when you are purchasing now of a machine, you have to see the future of 15, 20 years ahead. So the cutting capacity, the wood that it can cut, it's up to 10 inches. And the transport height is 3.7 meters. What is important here is to see the power unit. This is a power unit that we built from scratch in our factory with engine of 220 horsepower, John Deere Tier 3. This is exactly what is needed here. The driving cabin has air conditioning and heating. There is a hydraulic slide that moves all the cabin aside in order to allow maintenance if needed. There is a hydraulic move of the engine hood in order to open and close it. There is a 4-wheel steering, which gives us the ability to make a very nice curve, and it's 4x4. So I would say that this is the top notch of the machinery that we are offering. The second one is more or less likely to be the same power unit, same vehicle that it's built on. Measurements are more or less the same, but it's only 2 blades on a rotation arm, which gives a lot of power while it's making the pruning, and this is something that really helps many people to come and to do it with a high velocity of driving. Again, the max hedging and on topping is more or less the same measurements. The carrying capacity is a bit less, it's 8 inches, but it's more than enough. The third one is, this is the model that we actually developed for this market in Hartswater. This is based on some of the machinery that are here in the area as well. It gives, in the same movement, can do two angles. It's the same setup. Sorry. It's the same power unit, same driving unit, but it says two wings that can give in one pass 2 angles. It can also be totally one line, so it gives a lot of flexibility. The carrying pass is 7.6, the max hedging is 15 meters, the carrying capacity is 6 inches, which is more than enough as well here. And again, the power unit is John Deere Tier 3 220. The fourth model is something that exists for many years in our machinery. It's the TH 1400 H. The max topping here on a flat is 7.9 meters. The carrying capacity is 6 inches, 432 inches blades. As well, very efficient, can be a very good option for you. The fifth machine is what we call kit. Is a pruning machine that we assemble over existing tractor. It's not with the same power, not with the same capacity. The max that we could design, and we try our best with our engineers, is up to max flat of 7 meters. It goes much lower than the other machine, but it needs a tractor of 90 horsepower, and the carrying capacity is up to 3 inches of branches. It can be a limit for some of you, but it can be a nice step towards another machinery. So let's see short video of some of the machines. We're going to see 2 machines here, the TH2000 with the rotating arm blades. This is a model that we developed almost 20 years back, but it still works very well. This is the second model, the TH2000F, with the fixed blade bar, 6 blades of 48 inches each. One of the things that is really important is the speed, and the other is to what extent it leaves a clean cut. So this is one of the advantage of this machine. Very nice, very efficient, very strong. Another equipment that we have is the picking tower, the cherry pickers. So actually we have 2 models that can be very interesting for here. One is the 9.5 meters, and the other is the 6.5 meters. So we have them in different models, different type of solutions for any need that you might have. So this is it. If there are any questions, I'll be happy to. Thank you very much.